Before I tell you the steps, I do have to say this. Don't abuse these steps. I would hate that anything happens to your account or something based on this video. So only use these steps when needed. So with that out the way, step number one, of course, open up the Uber driver app. And when you get the Uber driver app open, go to the menu option. Now, depending on the time that you watch this video, the placement of these options may be different, but all the steps are still valid, y'all, all right? So let's hit that menu option and get to where you see your profile picture and help, safety settings and all that. So we're gonna select help. And when we select help, go down where you see the categories and select the account category. And when you get within the account category, select change account settings. Now from within change account settings, there's two options for profile pictures. The first one you'll see is driver profile picture. I don't recommend selecting that one. One of the times I changed my profile picture, I select this option and then it just led me to a dead end. But if you go down, you'll see update profile picture. This is the one that we want to select because it's going to get us to an agent that's going to actually help us. All right, so select that. It's going to give you a quick form. My phone is being slow, but it's going to give you a quick form and you just have to fill it out. Okay, here we go. So just to explain this briefly, it's just saying like you only can change your profile picture if you have any like physical changes to your face. But even if the change to you is minor, it still can be done. So just check these two options right here. And when you check the options, just give them a reason. Now, I don't know why they ask for a reason because you can explain it here, but the customer service rep is still gonna ask you to like re-elaborate. So just to follow protocol, like I'm gonna say, cut my beard off. Let's say I'm gonna say, okay, my profile picture is unclear. Now, I use this excuse a lot, but just for the sake of this video, and especially you guys with no beards, no like, maybe you're bald and beardless, so you're like, okay, like what excuse can I use? We're gonna go with this excuse. So go ahead, hit submit, and when you hit submit, it's gonna pair you with a live agent. You shouldn't have to wait long, like mine was right away. So I have Daniel. This agent, he's going to introduce himself and everything. So you can go ahead and get ahead of him and explain yourself. Just keep it brief. My profile picture is unclear. I like to change it. I don't want to confuse customers. That's all I'm going to say. Okay. I added please. I like to, like, maybe it's just me, but I like to just kind of be nice to the agents because you got to keep in mind there are real people on the other end. So I address them by their name and stuff like that, say my please and thank yous. This way, it's no pushback. They can just say, okay, you know, this is just a nice person here. Let me just go ahead and just delete his profile picture so you can update it. This is all the agent's gonna do. It does take them a little like maybe like 5 to 10 minutes sometimes to do this. I don't know why. They're gonna delete the profile picture, and after they delete the profile picture, you can go back into the Uber app. I'm gonna show the whole process with you. I'm gonna go through the whole thing with you, but they're gonna delete the profile picture, you log back into the Uber app, and then you just retake your picture. The one concern from doing this is once they delete your profile picture, you won't be able to go online until you update it. Most people would think, okay, what if I wanna go driving the day of? Like, is this gonna stop me? Like, no. Like, once you update your profile picture, for me, the 4+ times I did this, it updated within like 10 to 15 minutes, and then I was able to drive the same day. Okay, so he already got it done. He did it faster than the other agents I had. He's gonna list some steps. He's gonna copy and paste some steps on how to do it, but we don't really need it, y'all. Like the Uber app will walk you through it as soon as you log back into it. But it's done. I'm gonna end this chat nicely with this agent, and it'll be the same process when you first created an account and took your profile picture. So you go ahead and select the option to update your profile picture and go ahead and select the option to take the profile picture after you accept the terms and everything. Yeah, There we go. So what I like to do, this is kind of like a bonus tip for you. The thing I don't like about the profile pictures is you have to take it with your selfie camera on your phone. But if you did want a more professional looking picture, just use a backdrop. If you have like somewhere where you know there's like a colorful wall or like a good looking background that's like solid, like use that. What I do myself, I have a green screen backdrop and the flip side of it is blue. Like it's the same like uber blue color. So I was like, okay, that's kind of cool. So I'll take that out, put that behind me, get in the sunlight, and then take the picture. So on the profile picture, it looks like I have like a Photoshop type picture, but in reality, I'm just got a colorful backdrop behind me. If you have any questions or concerns that you want to share, please leave me a comment and I'll get to you as soon as possible. And if you are interested in informational videos like this around everyday tech and products, feel free to subscribe to this channel, y'all, because I'm always trying to teach you guys something, all right? But for this video, this is all I got for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.